Swoosh, swoosh. Vendetta people, up to the line, did it. One alcohol did it.
Yeah, bro, God bless.
Alcohol, big deal, everything has a small fries inside order.
Listen to. If there was a secret I was keeping, that would be it. I'm an Alkaline fan.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Man, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, when you don't know, up to the line. Remember, later, you see me in few hours, you don't know Alkaline go there. So go get in the tickets. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know Mall Plaza, in a bargain mall. You don't know Half a Tree, you know Clock Tower. You don't know Face by J. You don't know. Yeah, Mall Plaza, Constant Spring Road. You see me? You don't know about Portmore Genius Pharmacy. You see me? So go get on the ticket, people. You don't know a thing set. Yeah, man, but some people have found out and say something. Up to the line, later, after champs. Nothing normal. You see me? When that boss go touch out, mash up the place. You see it? But we'll go in that video and see what I'm going.
Swoosh, swoosh. Vendetta people, up to the line tomorrow. Remember to be a late ticket, me here. Dan in Sevo did it. One alcohol did it.
Yeah, bro, God bless.
Alcohol, big deal, everything has a small fries inside order. Alcohol, big deal. Remember to be a late ticket, me here. Vendetta go there outside tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
Up to
Yeah, man, you don't know. Yo, big up Ambassador, you don't know, but you check him out on TikTok. You see me? Yeah, man, a Vendetta fan. When I Vendetta fan them, yeah, man. Real true Vendetta fan. You see it, so but check him out. Yeah, man, big up Ambassador. You don't know your thing set. Yeah, man.
the line. Go loud. I'm into the ladies, remember this. No foreign girl can't scream low down. They hear. You know every song. No girl can't only want the right to scream it. And Jamaican girls want the right to scream, they hear. Remember that. No foreign girls can't scream low down.
Yo, you see that la thing there in the Barclays Center? Yo, man, know say some of the people them wanna go, you know, like all especially the female them, you know, and hear that, you know, they feel jealous. Me I tell you them jealous. Me say the girl them over UK feel jealous. Me say they want a next Alkaline show over there. You understand? But don't worry yourself, man. The boss soon touch back, you see me? Yeah, you know you got to work.
I want the place low tomorrow here. Just like when the Barclays did it last week. I want the place low than that. Bend to the ladies, you know who want the right to scream it? How I doing, man? Then I did it tomorrow, man. Low. Then they're going right now. As we speak. I get
Yeah, man. So him do that video, I think, yesterday. So look at now. Today at the show. Today. In a few hours. You understand? Yeah, man. So, on the roll out, cause it's not gonna normal. I tell you that. After I drop that album, yeah, a controversial album, yeah, place I got mad up people. Police Officers Club. Remember that. You don't know as you pass Devon House, you forward up on the Warp Road, yeah. It's not gonna normal people. So on the roll out in on the 10s and 20s and 30s. You understand? I don't know so the champs after champs thing and people are gonna roll out. It's not gonna be normal. It's gonna be a good day. You see me? Vendetta Boss I got the champion boy. Key man. We have a key for the city, is it?
tomorrow. Oh, that's how we're not problem with people. Oh, what the man? Be man go suck your mama. Oh, that's how we're not problem with people. That yard.
I sit down here, drink my coffee now, man, in here, and I say,
Yo, so people, that lady here, you know, it look like I think her husband and her son go Alkaline show in her Barclays Center, seeing, but she did it, she look for them go live, like she look for them video call her and show her where I go on. But the way the show did nice, then no time for that. I tell you, no time. Is it? But you what she say?
oh, me brother and my husband selfish. Cause they don't even share the party with me. Me have to look on TikTok for everybody else I post the little
Yeah, I think our brother.
clippings in my Alkaline show. Everywhere me going without this man, you know, me always share the experience with him, you know. Me call, me video, me make clippings, me post, and them are really in the social media people because the man only was make him make one little video and post and make me see I send come give me a people clippings. Me have to watch. So what me sending for? Well, listen, this is gonna be a problem when he come back because to all me say making up on a single man strip and at least independent can share little things. Once the man reaching a Barclays, I'll take 2 pictures. The man tune out like in tune into Alkaline straight to the done last night. And not even a little video me get for see.
Yo, I saw it go mama, me I tell her, and I saw it go bad, me I tell her, say, look at how. You see, when you go watch superstar artists, you don't have time for do certain thing. You just a party and a whole vibes. You understand? But you see some clipping still.
people video me if you watch you see how they see them sell out and all. Not because of my artists, me still did want to see what one can me like some of my song them. Yeah? No man. This a man a real sellout.
Have one conversation.
People, this one lady, you know. I think, boy, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what, yo, the elderly lady them. You see me? I not gonna say elderly, the big woman them, or big in her age, big woman. Yo, I must say Alkaline young, you know. Me no know what Alkaline do today. Them big woman, I mean, I tell you. Yo, yeah, tell you. But you not hear what she say.
Couple months ago. Maybe like a month or probably even 2 months ago. And me said him say me like Alkaline. My son find it strange. My son found it strange because he must say, Mummy, you like Alkaline? Me say yes. Me like Alkaline. Me like his song them when he sing. I was not a fan of the 2016, 2017 Alkaline. I was not a fan. Them they're not my type. But me say,
You saw life funny. A lot of people would have say them rate Alkaline 2016 time and them look a thing there. That's why I tell you say in life everything change for grow. You understand? Because look at now, everybody would have say, yo, you know in 2016 already, and see one lady here come out and say she never did took in 2016. She in a new one now. So me I try to tell the people and them not understand. See growing and changing is a great thing. It seem like when a tree grow, it change the skin, it change the leaf, everything. Same when you grow. Your face change, your hand get bigger, foot, everything. You understand? So not because some people might like 2016, yes, but you have people out there were like in a demi time, yeah, the new like 2020 and forwarding up. You understand? That's how music work.
I back up on one I sang them maybe like 3 years ago or so. And I am a secret Alkaline fan. And my son find it to be so like, he might look probably like, Mummy, you sure you know who is Alkaline? And me I say, of course. Because if my son play anything remotely sounding like, you know, me call it trap dancehall. Me no find it. But for some reason, me don't know. Me have to admit it. Me listen to him song them. And me like them. Them sound good, then give me a buzz. But me just listen to them in my in my headphone. Me not listen to them out.
Yo, people, you know see what I'm going, right? Yo, we will share this Alkaline music. Yo, me tell you, you know, don't play that boy the music, you know. You see, she can't even talk. That's one song she listen, you know. Yeah, man, that's one song with sweet. I make sure listen, man. Me I tell you.
Me listen to them in my iPad. So sometimes my son hear me, I listen to my music and things say country music. Me I listen to country. He knows I'm a big country music fan. Alkaline me I listen to. If there was a secret I was keeping, that would be it. I am an Alkaline fan. Me not go say me a vendetta, but me like his song them. And yes, you know say I know for me, you know, age appropriate for me. I know that. I don't know business. Me like his song them. He has reframed his image. I love that about him. I love the fact that he's in nobody's shadow. He's like, I think I admire him as a, you know, as a musician, as an entertainer, and because of that, it make me, you know, I listen to his music more and more. But
people, you know listen what I go on. You know listen what the lady I say. She say the way how the youth move. Remember, you know, Bounty Killer fall out and say him the rape people move stupid and everything. You see it? Enough people out there rate how Alkaline move. Them not see him in a drama and all of them little thing there. And that does make people gravitate to him and start gravitate to his music. Because as an artist, you need to have a personality where people rate you to as well. You understand? Not only just your music, your personality. You understand? And see how she attack, she does express the way how the youth move and all of them like a thing there. You see me? That's why I'm telling enough of your artists them. Stop move like some commoners. You understand? move deep, move like an artist, a musician where you're not in a everybody eyesight, you're not this, you're not that. You do your own thing. People will just rate you for that. You understand? Just the way how you move. I tell you that, people, just the way how you move. You see it? So what the artists I do, good. Remember in a you that's gone 13 years in them career. I'm 20 reach all 20 years, 30 years. It even gonna make you more powerful, more impactful. You understand? So big up the artist. You see me, him know where him having plans and it work. And that me I tell you, haters might say different thing, but it work. Cause if him never did I do nothing right, the haters them would not attack him. You understand?
I love the fact that he just carved out this space for himself and he's just doing his thing and I admire that about him. So yes, me know with my big old self. Me I listen to Alkaline.
Yo, don't play with them, you know. I tell the people, don't play with them. You see me, I think next you they forward out and I say I think away there. Where you there? Where am there? Yeah man, next you they forward out and I say I think, man. You see me? Where you there, man? You see it? Yeah man, the artists are doing thing. I tell the people the artists are doing thing. You see it? Artists are so see somebody, you know, the youth, yeah. You see me?
Music are the reason I become a big fan of him. I don't Vendetta fan. Really and truly, I leave Alkaline music are the reason I become a big fan of him. And the man character, the man mindset, how the man deal with pressure, how the man deal with how the system deal with him. That way really inspire me and really become a fan of this brother. I tell you the truth, like when I look at Alkaline, it's like I see myself. It's like I see myself. Pause for me to say well, that sound crazy. But I see characteristics of myself in him.
Yeah, and that are the thing, people. You see me? But just like a state that make you understand what I go on. Where I try to say basically it's like this. You see somebody where influential like a celebrity, but you just know say yo, you see how them move and you just like move the same way. You understand? So it's like you say, yo, see how that person they move, I saw me move to, you know, so it's like you say, yo, yeah, go morely like, yo, rate that person there. You see me? Cause you kinda see how they move and you kinda move the same way. You have that same type of personality there, you see me? But you see Alkaline personality, yo, me I tell you, people, me not think enough of them artists here coulda hold composure, the militancy, everything now that youth hold. Me I tell you, that youth Alkaline him different. Cause the amount of hate and fight with the youth get. And if you see you just hold it like nothing. If one day if he say something, him put it in the music, but you never see him forward up on the media, crash out and all of them little thing the people. You understand? So just the way I move and you see me, cause I saw me move more while. Me just even with my own family them not see me. You understand? For all years, them say, yo, I want to go and rape. Me just in a zone by myself and do my thing. You see me? I saw me stay. And then one day, them would just see me pop up. And I say, bombard. I don't make them know nothing. Them just see me. I saw me move. You understand? I mean, I really do the bagger everywhere you go. You post things and all of them little things. I don't do them things there. You see me? Yeah, we make 1 and 2 posts. You see it? And then that's it. Maybe one next year now, we make a next post. I saw my move. You see it? It's just a thing where you just in a little zone and yeah, meditate and all of them things there. You see me? So I understand what you must say still.
You see it? I mean, I say, yo, I saw people fight me. I saw shit happen to me and me just survive and do my own shit. Bro, when I lose my foot, when the injury happened and the doctor fuck up my foot, bro, I was so angry. And for some reason, I did not become a big fan of Alkaline. When the man drop Juggernaut, it's like, when man say the pain and the fight, and it's like I made the man I sing too. So it's like, I don't just say music alone, mechanic, it's like the man character, like the man just...
So, basically, I know some people are going to misunderstand, and I really say, you must sing the song to him, directly. It means the song, Alkaline sing, it inspire him to pull through the fight and the struggles. You understand? So it mean, you see it?
Discipline, the man, perseverance, the man, resilient, and yo, kudos, yo, big fan of the dog, you see, big Vendetta. Anybody know me knows I Vendetta myself from long time. Big fan of Alkaline, like, hopefully him forward to Canada, so me can get forgot the show, and tell you the truth.
Yeah, man, you don't know things, so big up yourself, yo. You see, big up yourself. Yeah, man, I want the best artists to inspire, you see me? Yeah. One of the best artists. Trust me, you will make it in a life, yeah, and not put yourself in a trouble. You see it, but I just one of them thing the people. You see me? All you do, stay motivated. Always I put in the work. Anyway, take it, you gotta get a fight, same way. Either friends or family, you understand? But at the end of the day, don't make that get you down. You see me? Yeah, man. So you have to just keep on press. You must make it. Unless what nobody wants to say. You see me? At the end of the day, you have the steer, you alone steer your own destiny in a life. You see me? Yeah, man. You just keep out of trouble and stay in your zone. Yeah, man. Remember, you alone born, you know. You see me? I saw the thing set. And not everybody are going to like you. And not everybody are going to rate you. I just saw the thing set. Yeah, bad and good, wrong and right. I saw it go. You see me? But I just one of them thing there. And you don't know. Big up Media Facts. Subscribe to them. The support of them. And you don't know. I see you big up on yourself. Because I see you nice comment, you know. Yeah, man. I see you, man. I respect for your support. You know, I don't know. It's no say I get up every day and look forward to Media Facts video them. You see me? Yeah. And big up who rate Media Facts. You see me? Because at the end of the day, when I watch my video same way and I still support. Once when I watch a video them, I still support same way. And I don't know how one Media Facts on the app. You see me? And then make I recognize that. You see me? That is it.